Okay, we got a lot of parts here for the car. Looks like there was another car. It seemed like he had a four-door that he got these parts from, like the roof section and all that. But the car does, I don't think it's in the system anymore. 98. I was helping a guy move or clean out his shop, essentially. This is all just failing wired on there. I was helping a guy clean out his shop, and he asked me if I wanted the car. So I brought a trailer and I picked it up. So I have no paperwork on this thing, but it does have some things going on. You know, I did get it to turn over with a battery in it. Engine actually turns over. I couldn't get it to start. The chop is rough. It's all just tacked together. But it's got some potential in it, though. So this is where fucking goddamn wasps. Jesus. Get out of here, bro. Yeah, we got wasps over here. Anyways, so yeah, this is all just kind of sitting, chilling. He started to do the chop on it. And well, you can see it's slightly unfinished. But the body, other than that, the body's really straight. And there's not a whole lot of rust besides the floors. But like, if you look here, like none of that is really rotten out at all. Like the undercarriage is pretty strong still. Still has original drivetrain, running gear, suspension. Tires are actually holding air. I haven't even put air in these things yet. I got it with this amount of air in them. They're not cokers though. But pretty freaking straight car. And it does have a flathead in it still. So yeah, I was actually able to get the, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it still turns nicely, actually. I had it turned over. It sounded like it had some compression. Has a nice copper core radiator in it, which is nice. But yeah, nice fucking copper core radiator. Look at those fins. Looks like the radiator was new, possibly. I don't know. Chevy one-wire alternator on it. I was kind of freaking with it a little bit to see if I could get spark. Wasn't getting any spark. I just freaking ran out of time. Didn't have much time to put into it. Ow. Yeah, come on. Okay. Anyways, but she's original. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like, it was kind of like this when I got it. It was just kind of half done, half project. So, anyways, yeah, make offer. Just make offer. She's cool. She's a cool car. I think this is going to be really rad. I got other grills for it as well. And some other bumpers. One other front bumper, I think, or I don't know if that's a front bumper, but and I have a back bumper for it. So